Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh. Today I want to take you on a quick walkthrough of this 2011 Sea Ray 270 SLX. This guy's got the 8.2 liter V8 in it, big motor. It's an awesome big boat, yacht certified, so you can take on all your friends with you. We've got flip up bolsters here for the captain's chair, so you can stand up and lean and see where you're going when you're going into port, or you can get down, get comfortable behind the windscreen. Also has a small entertainment center here with a hand washing station, so you can wash your hands, clean up. Comfortable lounging seating all around in the cockpit here, so you and all your friends can relax, have a great time out on the lake. Does have a head compartment as well. Pump out toilet, just in case. Big seating area up here in the bow. Deep gunnels, so you're going to feel really safe in this boat. Give you a shot from the front all the way to the back. Real comfortable upholstery, comfortable seating in this boat. Hard top. This boat is equipped with captain's call, so you can announce your presence when you get back to the dock, so all your friends know who it is. All right, well, that was a quick walkthrough on this beautiful 2011 Sea Ray 270 SLX. Remember, come by and see us here at MarineMax in Dallas, or you can always catch us at MarineMax.com on the internet. Look forward to speaking with you soon.